Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to rent a Terraria server. First of all, you'll need to create an account. Enter your email and new password here and press the sign up button. After that, you'll need to activate your account. Go into your email inbox and you should see an email from us asking to confirm and activate your account. Click the green button and that should activate your account. Now that you've done that, log in into your account and from here you'll be able to create your own server. We have 3 server plans, Free, Premium and Pro, with Pro having the most features and options available such as allowing your servers to be hosted in more countries. If you're unsure what plan to go for, contact our support team and we'll be happy to help you. On the pricing page, you will see all the general features which are available for each plan, as well as specific features for different games. Now let's create the Terraria server. First, select a plan. I'll choose the free one. Then select the country you want it to be hosted in. Select the country that is closest to you or your player base. Then select the game. In this case I want Terraria. And now you can choose the type of server, such as T-Shock, which will allow you to install plugins. Then select the version you want and create the hostname. Then hit the create server button and we're nearly done. Claim your free server like so and we're ready to go. Now just open up your game and copy the hostname or IP address into the Terraria multiplayer section. Make sure you do not forget the port number. And it's as easy as that. As you can see, I've successfully connected to the server. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any tutorial suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues or have any questions, contact our support team. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.